The choice between purchasing the current model or waiting for the next big release is a common conundrum we all face. This is particularly relevant for those eyeing a new tablet, as Samsung is anticipated to unveil its Galaxy Tab S10 series shortly. The Galaxy Tab S9, its predecessor, is an impressive device in its own right, offering all the features and performance expected from a premium tablet in 2024. However, with an upgrade on the horizon, it's understandable to question whether it's wise to delay your purchase. Unfortunately, without official information about the Tab S10 series, providing a clear answer is challenging. Let's explore the rumors and see what insights they offer. Here's a look at why you might consider waiting for the Tab S10 or why the Tab S9 remains an excellent choice. Let's dive into the most significant rumored update for the Galaxy Tab S10 series. If you've been eager for a new Samsung tablet, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra could be worth your patience. We've caught sight of both the Galaxy Tabs a few times already, and they sport designs that are reminiscent of the Galaxy Tab S9, S8, and S7 series. Although the designs look familiar, it seems these tablets will come with anti-reflective displays. Get ready, because there's a lot to unpack. As the name suggests, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra really takes things up a notch compared to the S10 Plus, featuring upgraded specs and additional cameras. This Ultra version can pack up to 16 gigs of RAM and offers a hopping 1 TB of storage. Its display is also more impressive at 14.6 inches, complete with a notch in the center when you're in landscape mode, plus slimmer bezels. It runs on a powerful 11,200 mAh battery, which is actually bigger than what you'd find in an iPad Pro. On the front, the S10 Ultra has an extra camera, both at 12 megapixel, with one being wide-angle and the other ultra-wide. The back has the same 13 megapixel main and 8 megapixel ultra-wide cameras as the Plus. Just like the Plus, the S10 Ultra is IP68 certified and features enhanced armor aluminum. It measures 208.6 by 326.4 by 5.4 millimeters, making it noticeably larger than the Plus variant. It's also a bit heavier, weighing in at 718 grams for the 5G version and 723 grams for the Wi-Fi model. Plus, it has the advantage of Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, which means faster and more responsive internet. According to the certifications, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus SMX820 and the Tab S10 Ultra SMX926C will feature 45-watt fast-wired charging, matching the capabilities of their predecessors. While this isn't the fastest charging option available for tablets, like the MatePad Pro 12, which boasts 100-watt fast charging, it still offers solid performance. The certification details also indicate that the tablets will be sold without an adapter, which shouldn't come as a surprise. Samsung offers a 45-watt PD single-port adapter and a 50-watt PD dual-port adapter, so you can easily purchase one if needed. The most intriguing news revolves around what hasn't been leaked or rumored. The 11-inch Tab S10, a familiar face in past Galaxy Tab collections, appears to be missing from all current leaks. This absence has sparked speculation that Samsung might be phasing out its smallest flagship tablet, and the recent 3C listing seems to support this theory. Samsung does have the lower-spec Tab Fan Edition series, which still includes an 11-inch variant for now. It seems the company may have realized that users who favor smaller tablets are often casual users who don't need the high-end features of the flagship Tab S series. Meanwhile, as we already know that Samsung is making waves with its belief that artificial intelligence will revolutionize its product lineup. In 2024, the tech giant rolled out AI features across nearly all its devices, from Galaxy smartphones to bespoke home appliances. Now there's buzz that Samsung is set to enhance accessibility for future Galaxy Tab S10 and DeX users by introducing a dedicated AI key. As many are aware, Samsung offers Bluetooth keyboards compatible with DeX, Windows, and Mac, as well as keyboard covers for those looking to transform their premium Galaxy tablets into DeX-enabled laptop alternatives. With the anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 series on the horizon, a recent leak from WinFuture reveals that Samsung plans to incorporate this AI key into its upcoming Bluetooth keyboards and keyboard covers. A mock-up image suggests the AI key will feature the Galaxy AI logo and could be positioned between the spacebar and the right Alt key on the Galaxy Tab S10 keyboard cover. Recent information hints that the new Galaxy Tab S10 lineup will include two models, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and an Ultra variant, both of which will support new optional keyboard accessories. The introduction of the AA key could be a significant differentiator for these latest keyboard attachments compared to their predecessors. While it seems logical for Samsung to develop a dedicated AA key, given its investment in the Galaxy AI suite, the exact functionality of this button remains uncertain. Will it serve a single press-it function, and if so, which one? Or will users have the flexibility to assign any Galaxy AI feature to the AA key? Only time will reveal the answers. While there are some differences, the S10 Plus and S10 Ultra share a lot of features and options. Their designs are pretty much identical, with curved edges and a flat back. They'll also be available in the same colors, Moonstone Gray and Platinum Silver. Both models allow for storage expansion with a microSD card, making it easy to add extra space without shelling out for a bigger drive. So, after those leaks revealing the design and specs of the Galaxy Tab S10 series, a fresh report from WinFuture has popped up with details on when Samsung plans to launch these tablets and what they might cost. The scoop says that Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Tab S10 series on September 26, with it hitting the European market soon after. Typically, Samsung rolls out its Galaxy Tab S series worldwide, so folks in the US can probably expect the same launch timing. As for the prices, the entry-level Galaxy Tab S10 Plus with Wi-Fi, 12 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage could kick off at around €1,119. If you want 5G, that price could rise to €1,269 for the same storage. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra's base model, which also has Wi-Fi, 12 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage, might go for about €1,339. And if you're looking for the top-tier version with 5G, 16 gigs of RAM, and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage, be ready to shell out around €1,909. The starting prices for these models in Europe seem to match what their predecessors cost, hinting that Samsung might keep similar pricing in the US. If that's the case, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus could begin at $999, while the Tab S10 Ultra might start at $1,199 for the basic Wi-Fi model. Just keep in mind that since there's no base Galaxy Tab S10 this year, the price for a flagship Samsung tablet will naturally be higher than last year's $799 for the Galaxy Tab S9. The Tab S9 series featured S Pen compatibility, so it's likely that the new models will also support this accessory. At this stage, it's premature to have concrete rumors regarding the pricing of the upcoming Samsung tablets. However, we anticipate that the prices will remain comparable to those of the current Galaxy Tab S9 series. Ultimately, whether to wait for the S10 depends on your individual preferences. We recommend holding out for the Tab S10 series if you're seeking the pinnacle of what Samsung has to offer, or if you want to make a more informed choice by comparing the S9 series with its successor once it launches. On the other hand, if you need a flagship tablet right now, any model from the Tab S9 lineup will serve you well for the next 2 to 3 years. Additionally, you might find them at discounted prices, making them an even more attractive option. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 from Samsung? Share your expectations in the comments below, and for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, take care.